Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a trip that you have already booked to the Qatar Airways application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the My Trips button down below, which is the second or the third button down below. Click on the plus icon in the upper right corner of the screen. And here you have two options. You can either add the trip by typing in the booking reference number or the e-ticket number. If you tap on the first option, you can either scan it by tapping on this scan button, and then you should allow the app to have access to your camera. Then you will be able to scan your boarding pass, or type in the booking reference number and your last name as on passport. Click on add trip button, and then you will be able to add your trip. Or you can do the same by entering your e-ticket number, which is a 13-digit number, as you can see, and then you should add your last name and click on the add trip button, and then it will be added to this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.